Hello dear students, welcome to Pen and Paper Chemistry. Today's lesson is a short one. And what are we going to do? We are going to see how much of the formula writing do we actually remember and how confident we are. Now in these formulas, if you want, you can write the formulas if you are a beginner who's just started to learn chemistry. The others can actually say out the formulas in their mind, or maybe just write it on a piece of paper without doing the cross method, and then later on check your answers. So ready to go? You should ideally target to finish the test in 10 minutes maybe. Write the chemical formula of, first one is zinc nitrate, second potassium chloride, third magnesium hydroxide, fourth sodium sulfate, fifth mercury 2 chloride, sixth manganese 4 oxide, seventh iron 3 bromide, eighth ferrous oxide, ninth ammonium nitrate, 10th aluminium sulfide. Go ahead, don't Google the answers, try to answer these yourself and then see where you stand once you've written all these formulas. Have you done? Okay, would you like to check your answers right away? So we have zinc nitrate, ZnNO3 hold twice. Now please understand here, N has to be small. For nitrate, capital N, capital O and a 3 at the bottom. For nitrate, in case you have written like this, or for zinc if you have written like this, both of these make your answer incorrect, because we are very specific when it comes to the writing of the chemical formula. Because if you change the format from capital to small or small to capital, the formula changes completely. So potassium chloride, this one was simple, KCl. Again, K capital, C capital, L small. Be careful of that. Next one, magnesium hydroxide, Mg bracket O capital, H capital, hold twice. Now many a times the students write like this. No dear, this will not be correct because you are writing O, you are not writing OH, because it's a combination of oxygen and hydrogen, right? So check where you are going wrong. Don't get disheartened even if you get all of them wrong, because in the process you will be learning something, okay? As long as you don't stop learning, that's it. It is more important to understand your mistakes and improvise on them. So sodium sulfate, it's N capital, A small, 2, sulfate, S capital, O capital, 4, Na2SO4. Mercury 2 chloride means mercury with a valency of 2. So H capital, G small, C capital, L small, 2. Got it right? Good. Manganese 4 oxide, that means manganese with a valency of 4. So let me change the color of the pen so that you don't get confused. We've got capital M, N, O capital, 2. 2 has to come at the foot. You do not write this number 2 like this. Okay? Again, be very specific in this. Iron 3 bromide, that means iron valency is 3 and the symbol is Fe. So we have FeBr3. ferrous oxide. So ferrous is iron with a valency of, yes, 2. So we have FeO. Ammonium nitrate. Now here's another tricky one. N capital, H capital, 4 at the foot. Again N capital, O capital and 3 over here. In my experience, what do many students do is they will write it like this. N, O over here and a 3 like this. Notice here, N is capital, O is also capital, right? Next one, aluminium sulfide. Aluminium has a valency of 3. So Al2S3. Now there were 10 questions over here. Each question carried a smiley to it. So at the end of this test, you should have 10 smileys. Let me know how many smileys did you get. Now for those who could collect 10 smileys, there's another set of 10 questions to challenge you. For those who missed out on some of the smileys, don't worry. What is more important for you to do is to do the corrections of the formulas that you have not got right. You do the corrections, understand your mistakes, and that is the best thing. Once you've done the corrections and you are confident in these basic formulas, here's another set of 10 questions to challenge you. Now, again, you have the questions in front of you. Pause the video, try writing the answers to these questions. Another set of 10 chemical names for which you have to write the formula. Go ahead. It should not take you more than 10 minutes. 10 minutes is also too much. There should be students like those who are doing their senior school. They should be able to even say the answers without even writing them. Go ahead, write the answers. Waiting for you to finish the test. Done? Please be honest. I cannot be there to check whether you are writing the answers or not. Yes, you can continue watching the video and you can note down the answers, but that does not serve any purpose at all, because this is nothing pertaining to the syllabus that you will memorize and then you'll do it. As long as you understand the fundamentals, you will be able to write the formulas correctly. So we start checking potassium dichromate. K2Cr2O7. Here R is small, please notice. Sodium chromate, Na2Cr4. Potassium chlorate, K capital C capital LO3. L is small over here. Ammonium dichromate. So it is just like potassium dichromate, wherein the potassium has been replaced by ammonium. Now this becomes whole twice. Cr2O7. Potassium permanganate, KMNO4. Sodium manganate. Yes, these are two different. Permanganate and manganate are different. Go ahead. Na2MNO4. Yes, the valency is different. The symbol for both of them, permanganate and manganate, is the same except for their valency. Hydrogen peroxide, H2O2. Sodium nitride. Now nitride has a valency of 3. Sodium has a valency of 1. Zinc nitrite. I hope you notice the TE and ITE. It's not ATE. So this was ZnNO2 whole twice. Calcium sulfide, CaS. It's not sulfite, it's sulfide. SULPHIDE. So overall, again, this was 10 smileys. Please let me know in the comment section how many smileys you were able to collect in the entire test. If you missed out on any, please remember to do corrections, because we all learn from our mistakes. Just like, yes, I am learning from my mistakes too. See you in the next video. Happy learning to all of you.